Hi, my name is Manika Gupta. I recently secured Common Merit rank 77 in NIFT. Design Circle has been a wonderful companion throughout my preparation. Even in this hard time of lockdown and online learning, the team did not even hesitate once and assisted me in every possible way. Be it those GAT sessions and reviewing my work time and again and instructing me to improve my CAT, the design circle team was there for it all. According to me, the key to crack this examination with a good rank is to work equally well and practice for both the sections. I had a hard time in the beginning, but with the tips and tricks of design circle, I was able to make it through. I can confidently say that any student who enters design circle with a willingness to learn can easily get into their dream college. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pariti Tomar and I've been a part of Design Circle for almost 2 years now, and it has been an amazing journey. It's because of Design Circle that I've moved one step closer towards achieving my dream. Even during such tough times because of the pandemic, the faculty of DC were always available. I mean, literally just a call or text away to solve our doubts and problems, and it genuinely helped us a lot. I sincerely want to thank Narzar sir, Gaurav sir, Shivam sir, and especially Sumit sir for guiding us to the right path that leads to our aspirations. Thank you so much, TC.
Hello everyone, my name is Mannat Randhawa and I scored All India Rank 1 in NIFT MFM 2021. Being a textile design graduate from NIFT Kannur, when I decided to pursue fashion management, one of my friends who was already studying in NIFT Delhi pursuing MFM recommended Design Circle to me, and I'm really grateful that I joined the team, and I'm really thankful to all the faculties as they're very hardworking and paid attention to each and every student, and it was a wonderful environment to learn. And I'm thankful to all of them, especially Gaurav sir, for his constant support and guidance, and this would not have been possible without you guys, so thank you so much.
Design Circle, I have secured 613 as my category rank in NIFT exam 2021. I want to thank all the DC faculty for the support and motivation they have given me throughout the year. Last year was pretty tough due to COVID-19 and lockdown. Offline classes couldn't happen. I was a little worried about it, but DC managed it very smoothly. The teachers there are so experienced and friendly, and they have guided me in the right path. There used to be multiple revision classes and mock tests, which helped me a lot. To be honest, it's impossible to describe DC in few lines, but I am so grateful that I chose DC last year, and I am so happy and grateful to be a part of Design Circle family. Thank you so much.
My name is Riddhima Chadha. I am from Delhi. I graduated in 2020. Post then, it was a very difficult situation for me to decide what to pursue next. It was then that I came across Design Circle that helped me to choose the right college and the right course for me for my masters. With the help of the best mentors here who guide you, encourage you through the process of your journey, through your preparation and imparting the great knowledge among you, the process has been very overwhelming, and I cleared my NIFT entrance exam and secured a rank of 74 for Masters in Fashion Management. This wouldn't have been possible without the support and the team of Design Circle. I'll be forever grateful to them for this. Kudos to the whole Design Circle team that helped each one of us in our own specific way to live up to our dreams and reach up to them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukshna and I have cleared the NIFT entrance exam 2021 and I'm a double digit rank holder 27. For my first round, I joined Design Circle team via the free WhatsApp group, and I must mention that I owe my CAT paper to them. So following my experience, I enrolled myself as a DC student for my second round, which was PI, And again, the support, the guidance that I received was tremendous. Like, I would like to mention here Gaurav sir's name, as he helped us frame each and every answer that we were to give in the PI round, and that helped me boost my rank. Like, I feel that my rank would have been in hundreds if I wasn't with DC. So thank you so much, and a heartfelt gratitude from my side for the entire Design Circle team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to Design Circle for helping me achieve a great rank and bringing me closer to my desired colleges. A big thank you to Sumit sir for being an amazing mentor and for all his help and guidance. Design Circle is hands down the best center for preparation for design college entrances, and the teachers here are very helpful and concerned, which is really rare actually, and they teach very well. So thank you so much to Design Circle once again for this incredible experience.
Hi, I'm Prisha, and today I'll be talking about my experience at Design Circle. I joined Design Circle back in 2019, and since then, my growth as a fashion student and as a person, in fact, has been massive to say the least. The faculty here at Design Circle is second to none, and I'm so eternally grateful having been taught under such exceptionally brilliant minds. I got into my desired college with my desired rank and every other fashion college that I applied to, none of which would have been possible without the support and guidance that I received at DC. The thing I appreciate most about DC is the fact that hundreds of students join DC every year. Yet the faculty here will find the time to engage with you personally and to carve out a path that works best for you. The passion with which they teach their subjects is truly commendable. Even during the pandemic, their online provisions and facilities are truly unmatched. Personally, Design Circle has been my second home. It's where I've grown in these 3 years with immense exposure that they've provided me. And I found my lifelong mentors, people I can look up to, people I can turn to. So Design Circle will always have a permanent place in my heart. On a lighter note, my parents have been very pleased with the way Design Circle has taught me. And my mother especially is full of praise for Sumit sir and for all the teachers that teach at Design.
Hi everyone, I'm Sriman Dhawan and my NIFT rank is 461. I joined Design Circle just a month before my NIFT exam, thinking it was impossible for me to get through NIFT Delhi. However, Sumit sir and his entire team worked so hard, proving my thought wrong. They also created a friendly environment for me to work in, and Sumit sir was always just a call away when I had anxiety or problems related to the exam. Each and every teacher there pushed me to work hard when I thought I just couldn't do it anymore. I would like to say that Design Circle not only helped me get through NIFT but also brought up my self-esteem.
Hi, my name is Isha and I got a rank of 195. I would like to thank DC for everything they've done. I had joined DC considerably late, but the faculty is so amazing and supportive and motivating that everything seemed so achievable. I would like to thank all of them, especially Shivam sir, Gaurav sir and Nazar sir, and obviously Sumit sir. Thank you for everything. It's been a great experience. It's the best guidance I could ever have.
Hi, my name is Anandi and I got an All India rank of 6 in the NIFT entrance exam for the Bachelor of Design program 2021 in my first attempt. I started my design preparation at the end of class 11, and so my journey with Design Circle has primarily been online due to the pandemic. However, faculty at Design Circle made it a point to ensure that this online mode of teaching did not become a barrier in our process of learning. Topics were repeated over and over again to make sure that we all understood them thoroughly, and we were given additional study material. Along with this, personally, I feel the faculty at Design Circle is super encouraging and motivating, along with being super approachable and fun to study with. So to all the design aspirants out there, I highly recommend Design Circle and I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Sharma and I got All India rank 248 in NIFT Entrance Exam 2021. I am so grateful to Design Circle and the whole team for supporting me and guiding me throughout my journey. Without them, it was not possible. The best thing about Design Circle is their faculty. The teachers who teaches there are so amazing. They are expertise of their field and they are really good at teaching. And being with them, around them was an amazing experience. Being at Design Circle was great because we were surrounded by the like-minded people. The people who talk about creativity, design thinking, growth and development and much more. So I am really thankful to Sumit sir, Nazar sir, Gaurav sir and Shivam sir and everyone else who was there to be a part of my journey. Once we are a Design Circle student, we are always a Design Circle student. Thank you so much sir.
Hi, I am Monica Yadav and I am a student and I gave NIFT examination this year, and I am very happy to say that I secure quite good rank, and for that I would love to thank my parents for their support and my mentors, Design Circle team, especially Sumit sir who guide me at every step. He's like a guardian to me. He helped me to choose and follow my passion and helped me to be in my dream college. I feel blessed that I joined Design Circle and be a part of it. The teachers and faculty here are just like your friend. They help you, they teach you, and I learn a lot from them. And I remember when I used to perform bad in examination or I didn't perform good, Sumit sir used to say one thing, that no matter what's happened, I will be always there for you even if you didn't perform well in the examination, and that helps me to be positive and never lose hope, and because of that I was able to make it. So a lot of thanks to Sumit sir and my Design Circle team.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanya. I secured 104 All India rank for the NIFT 2021 entrance exam. I had joined Design Circle in June 2020, which is considered pretty late to start the preparation, but luckily for me, DC really helped me in catching up with the other students. This batch was definitely different for both students and DC as well, since it was all online. Despite this, the mentors innovated the teaching methods, especially during the art classes. We got the opportunity to openly present our doubts to them and they were immediately resolved. The way they explained made us feel that we were in an actual classroom rather than a virtual one. DC not only helped me understand the curriculum but also the various options available in design schools. The best part about the preparation was that each exam, whether it be NIFT, NID and UC, was tackled differently and guidance was given for each exam individually. My advice to the next batch would be to just stay regular and practice art every day. The daily drawing questions sent can make all the difference between you securing a good rank and a not so good rank. Also, don't be afraid to tackle things that scare you the most. For me, it was math, and the easy formulas provided by Sir made me understand the subject really well. So yeah guys, all the best, and I hope you all secure a good rank next year.
I'm Palak and I secured rank 175 in the general category in NIFT. And can I just say, it is almost all because of the efforts the Design Circle and its faculty has put in. Gaurav sir, Shivam sir, Sumit sir, Nazar sir, Sangshil sir and everyone else. The entire faculty is super amazing. I personally have not seen any institution or coaching that has put in so much effort even during online classes, even schools or colleges for that matter. All our queries, as silly as they might be, as small as they might be, they were answered 5 times, 10 times, 20 times if we couldn't understand it. I've personally called the teachers at so many odd hours of the day and they've helped me calm my nerves and my exam anxiety, and they've given me so much feedback. Honestly, for me, I have done everything that the teachers told me that I should be doing, be it in maths or sketching or English. Whatever the teachers told me, I've done, and I've reached where I am because of DC.
Hi, I'm Palak and I cleared the NIFT 2021 examination with a rank 10. I would say that this great achievement wouldn't have been possible without the constant and unconditional support of my family and design circle. I remember when I joined Design Circle 2 years back, I instantly knew that Design Circle would be my guiding light and I would not only clear the entrance examination but also I would emerge as a more observant and skilled person. So, the highly professional faculty at DC helped me in many diverse ways. Uh, Even after the pandemic, when we were confined to our homes, DC ensured a very smooth transition from the offline classes to the online classes with the help of top technology, online examinations, and one on one feedback calls and sessions with the faculty. I never felt like I missed out on any essential experiences of the offline classes. So thank you so much, DC, for helping me throughout these 2 very memorable years of my design journey.
Design Circle is not your average coaching institute, it's actually a support system. Each and every teacher is for excellence at their own fields. Even after there being so many children in Design Circle who are attending classes, each and every person gets attention at a personal level, which is amazing because even after there being so less students in school classrooms, teachers aren't able to cater to needs of each and every child. But Design Circle is just different that way. And something we all can, I think, learn from the faculty is their patience, because they never get tired even after you ask them the same concepts over and over again. It's honestly inspiring. And if somebody wants to pursue a career in design, fashion, or art, I think this is the place to go, because they will ensure you have a future, and the amount of help that they will provide you, I do not think anyone can. And honestly, I never thought anyone could make online classes interesting, but Design Circle just goes above and beyond your expectations.
Hi everyone, this is Rudrakshi Sarsa and I'm an NIFT aspirant and enjoy Design Circle for a 30-day crash course which is before my CAT and GAT, and I must say that my experience at Design Circle was brilliant. The teachers are very helpful and they provide you with the exact amount of knowledge that you need to clear the exam, and I'm just very thankful to all the teachers, so thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Arushi Kejriwal, student of Design Circle. I know studying during pandemic looks like a very difficult task, but Design Circle made it so easy. Its faculty's constant support and guidance and its organized way of teaching helped me clear NIFT 2021. So thank you.
Namaste, I'm Anohita, an ex-student of Design Circle, but despite having done this entire course with Design Circle, I still feel so connected to it even today, even probably after an year after all of our classes have finished. Design Circle is not just an educational institution, they are so much more than that. They groom you like your own, and they bring you up with utmost creative ability, with a lot of patience and with a lot of hard work. Each of the teachers are tremendously hardworking and they all put in extreme efforts in making you into who you already are. They just probably nurture you to an extent that all the potentials that are buried inside you begin to bloom slowly. I think when I started my classes in Design Circle, I had problems in even drawing a straight line with a pencil, and I remember how with each day, with each class, I slowly and slowly grew into the better versions of myself with every class. And because our classes were mostly during the pandemic times, it was very difficult also because there were no live classes. The teacher couldn't hold your hand and make you do certain things just the way they want. But I think this whole shift to the online mode also is a huge example of how they have been very progressive, very adapting to new and challenging situations, and yet managing to let you have that faith in them that at the end it will all fall in place. And I think not just it, when it comes to Design Circle, it's not just about the design or the drawing. It's so much more than that. They motivate you every day with the little things that they say. They sometimes also scold you, of course, as a teacher, but that only inspires you to do better. And most importantly, even though they are preparing us for an exam, they have always and always stressed in the fact that an exam cannot define us, our passion, or our lives. Which is very ironical but yet extremely praiseworthy, I think, that Design Circle prepares us for design examinations, but at the end of it, they've always been stressing on this fact that no exam has the audacity to be able to judge or define how we will be in our lives 10 years from now, because Design Circle really appreciates and believes in the potential that we as students and children have, and it brings out that very beautifully, very creatively, in a very exam oriented yet a not very exam oriented way. They have struck the perfect balance between enriching our creativity as well as preparing us methodologically for an exam that's been held stereotypically since a lot of years now. So I think that's the speciality of Design Circle. I, as a student, have never ever been in such an institution that's so homely, that's so nurturing, so caring, and so hardworking, and I would like to recommend it to probably everybody who's watching this video right now. It's a great institution, a place to be, and the best creative people that you'll meet there are the ones who are going to be the inspirations of your life ahead. So all the best and thank you.
My experience at Design Circle has been nothing less than memorable. They taught me from top to bottom, left and right. Their study material was to the point. We understood everything. The teachers are amazing. They know the subject, their specialties, and the exam inside out. Me and my fellow aspirants had to never hesitate to ask our teachers questions and approach them even if we were not in class. I also made so many amazing friends at Design Circle who will be friends for life and colleagues when we go out to work with each other. I owe all my success of clearing my exams and getting a good rank to their hard work and the time they invested in us. They took me from just being an aspirant to being an achiever, and my drawing skills were pretty rough around the edges when I joined DC, and now they're smoothed out thanks to the help of all my teachers, and it was truly the best 2 years of my life.
It was in July 2020 when I joined Design Circle, and I'm so grateful to Sumit sir and the entire team for making me realize my passion towards designing. Going to NIFT was just like a dream, and I'm so happy that Design Circle helped me achieve this dream through all the efforts and all the motivation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreya Kedia and I cleared NIFT in 2021. This would not have been possible without Design Circle and Sumit sir. I joined Design Circle right after 10th grade. I came to see if I could pursue art as a profession, and I wanted to get into one of the design colleges, and he helped me to deciding which college I should go according to my interests and everything, and he helped me through the entire process of filling the form, the exams, the interview, the deciding which course, which college after the selection process, and it's been a major help. Sumit sir, he's a very encouraging, very approachable, extremely understanding and optimistic mentor. He's always there for you, and he treats all of his students like his own children. He's readily available, and you can talk to him about anything, and he makes the best decision. He helps you make the best decision, and I'm really happy, and thank you so much, Design Circle and Sumit sir.
Hi, I'm Anushka, a student at Design Circle. Joining DC was the best decision I made in the preparation for my design entrances. Not only did it provide me a sense of direction, but the teachers at DC are so connected to us and they provide personal feedbacks. Sumit sir himself helped me improve my shortcomings, which got me an edge and enhanced my overall work. Initially, I had joined another coaching center. However, I was so disappointed as there was no personal attention or review mechanism. But then I got to know about Design Circle, and it was a totally different experience. Even in the online mode, the teachers were so motivating, and I'm grateful for having them there for me. My name is Ritika Sharma and I recently cleared NIFT Entrance Exam 2021, and for that I'm really thankful to Design Circle for the constant support and guidance they gave me. They are the team of amazing teachers who guide me throughout the year. They understand your pace of learning and treat every children equally. They find your difficulties and help you to improve it. Every day I learn something new in Design Circle, and at the end of the day I find myself improved. And I think I attended both the classes offline as well as online, so I find them equally good. And in offline classes, and at the time of lockdown, they provide us equal time for feedbacks as well as recorded lessons and notes for every subject. So I don't find any kind of difficulty while attending online classes on a side of offline. So I think it is the best institute I will suggest to every design aspirant, because even before the NIFT declare its result, Design Circle is teaching us taking the classes of situation test. So because it wasn't sure even that the situation test will happen because of the pandemic, but still Design Circle teach us crafts for the situation test and prepare us for future, and that will help us for sure. And I think Design Circle main motive is to teach students and not to only clear the test, or to prepare for the college also. So that is the best part about Design Circle, and that's why I will say it will be the best institute for every design aspirant.
It has been an amazing journey with Design Circle, and a very long one for me. Sumit sir and the whole Design Circle team has always been there for me, helped me, guided me whenever I was in doubt or I needed help. And I hope all this friendship and guardianship that I have gained in past 3 years always and always stays there with me for the future also. Thank you so much, Sumit sir and the whole team.
Hi, I'm Antra, and I recently cleared the 2021 NIFT entrance examination with a rank of 59. Due to the pandemic, I was not really able to score a good rank in the 2020 examination, and I ended up getting a rank around 2200. Because I've never really faced any academic failure in my life, scoring this rank put me in a situation I wasn't prepared for. I was very uncertain about my future and what to do next. But I decided to take the entrance again and started preparing the very next day. So with the knowledge that I had gained after being a part of Design Circle for 2 years, and the constant support of the amazing faculty, especially Sumit sir, I was able to clear the exam. The best part about Design Circle is their spontaneity and effective response. They're available to help you anytime you want. They are extremely humble and super skilled in their own fields. They fill you with positivity and motivation. They help you identify your weaknesses and overcome them. Since I was at home preparing because of the pandemic, my mind was filled with self-doubts and fears, but they helped me get rid of it, and I'm so glad to have been a part of this journey with them.
I was a small kid when I realized my dream, and thanks to Team DC who helped me achieve it. It wasn't an easy journey, but being a part of DC made it an interesting one. I'll always be grateful to Sumit sir, who kept me motivated throughout and always believed in me. Once again, I'd like to thank Team DC for bringing out the best in me. It would never have been possible without their guidance.
Hi everyone, my name is Ananya Shah and I cleared the NIFT 2021 entrance examination with a rank 156. First of all, let me tell you that if you are an aspiring designer or want to get into a good design college, Design Circle is the right place Rather, I would say it is the perfect place for you. Even if you feel that you're not very good at drawing and sketching, you don't have to worry because they teach you everything from scratch and bring the best out of you. I personally found out about Design Circle through a family friend. I'm not gonna lie, even I was a little dicey at first, but once I attended the classes, I feel that it has been the best decision of my life. The highly professional and supportive faculty at DC helped me achieve this rank. Even during the pandemic, with the lockdown and all the online classes, they ensured that we didn't miss out on any single thing. You will be guided at every step. They put in a lot of effort, lot of extra work into teaching and guiding us. Your skills will be enhanced, especially your observational and drawing skills, sketching skills. Your imagination will improve a lot. Sumit sir has been a guiding angel who always motivated me and boosted my confidence where I underestimated myself. I hate maths, but Gaurav sir's shortcuts in reasoning and maths helped me a lot to solve the problems and the questions. Shivam sir, Nazar sir, Uttam sir and Chandan sir helped me a lot to enhance and improve my drawing and sketching and of course imagination. So all in all, I'd say that DC is the best place for any aspiring designer. I am eternally grateful for everything they have done and taught me.
Hello everyone, my name is Agrima and I've been a Design Circle student since 2019. With their constant support and guidance, I have been finally able to realize my dream of being a designer. Even after the college entrances, they're in constant touch with us about the courses, what to choose and how to choose them. Thank you so much Design Circle and thank you so much Sumit sir for guiding me throughout.